We're going to graph these. Boundaries are going to look crazy. You guys want to see them? -3. I have one at -2. I have one at 2, so something's going to happen there. And then I have one at 4. Now, the boundaries aren't necessary, but it's a good visual of where your graph should be and should not be. So again, if you don't know how to graph f of x equals -1, what does it tell you on the table of values? They're all -1. And then you make up numbers. Graph it in pencil. So I have 0, -1, 1, -1, 2, -1. This is what my graph looks like. And they are going where? Open or closed? So if I go to x equals -3, and what kind of, you said closed? So closed at -3. And which direction should you go? Numbers that are smaller than -3. To the left. So this is my graph in purple. Raise your hand if you got that one. Okay, just go back and erase. Okay, 1 plus x is the same thing as y equals 1 over 1x plus 1. Why do I need to know that? So then I can go at +1, rise of 1, run of 1, and you can go this way, -1, -1, right? And really, you want to go all the way down to the boundary. And your graph's going to look something like this. Open or closed? And -2?
Open.
Oh, did I forget inequality? Is it less than? So at -2, I'm going to put my pencil down at -2, go to where it intersects the graph. That is a open circle. Okay, this is kind of weird to read. Ready? X is greater than -2. Which direction is that?
Right.
Numbers that are greater than -2, but numbers that are what? Less than or equal to 2. So that'll be, put your finger at x equals 2. Where it crosses is up here. It's an equal, so it's a closed. And then my boundary is between. If you think about it, my graph's only going to be between -2 and 2. Raise your hand if your graph looks like that. Notice there should be a gap there. Now, if it ever happens where they are together, these holes, if you have a closed circle and an open circle, it just looks filled in, so it's a closed circle. Okay? So that is my red one. And let's graph the last one. 2x, this is really +0, so I start at 0. I have a slope of rise of 2, up of 1. Rise of 2, up 1, right 2, up 1, up 2, right 1, right? Something like this. And if you see where my restrictions are, or my boundaries, I already know my graph's going to start here and go towards the right. Do you see that? Some of you might even be going up here and starting your graph, which is totally fine. So this is mine in green. Open or closed circle? Open. And then values that are bigger than 4 are going to the left or to the right?
Right.
Going towards the right. My graph looks like, whoops, went right through my equation. Something like that. Okay? Go back and erase it. Make it look clean. Even when you go back, try to get, so you can obviously show that it's either open or closed circle. So this is what our piecewise function looks like. It's 3 linears. 3 different parts. You see where they kind of start at the boundaries or in between the boundaries and then past the boundaries. Okay?